When I think of the land school, the words I think of are
family, community, fun.
Pippo's a dog, the animals, hard work, outdoors.
Independence and responsibility.
There's a hare there and a llama.
To be honest, I like sleeping. It's like comfortable. Like the heat's perfect.
I mean, it's my home away from home. I live here for 3 weeks and I contribute to the land, and everything we do here is really special.
Almost heaven in Wisconsin at the land school, home away from home.
There's time at the land school to feel like you're on your own. A little different than what you experience in a classroom at the urban campus.
I really like nature and I really like being outside, and when I'm at the land school I feel really happy.
When I moved here I learned things that I'd never learned before, like what to do in the farm, animals, what animals do.
Plants, how to tap maple trees, because I made apple cider, crushing apples into tiny, tiny apple pieces.
I could just like sit and look at the trees and stuff.
There's a stick that was kind of bended. We got to go under and it felt like we were exploring, and we were.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong in Wisconsin.
One of my favorite things about being at the land school, especially on Farms Day, is getting to do all the work, especially with friends, because that just makes it a lot more fun.
And today we had junior high students leading the animal stewardship group. I don't have to direct. There's no directment. There's some type of engagement or a sense of I want to get this done.
We have animal care. We go out and feed the animals like the llama and the sheep.
You cook meals and you take turns cleaning up and setting up.
Sometimes we get to go around the land school and clear our trails, or sometimes we get to fix the barn if it needs fixing.
There's like a sense of community. Everyone's working together and we're all rooting for each other.
All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water.
I want people in the future to have the same fun experiences that I did.
Every decision that we make at the land school is really made with environmental sustainability in mind, not only as stewards of the earth, but also the sustainability for Lake Country School.
I think sustainability for the land school is keeping everything up in shape so that future generations can come.
We as a land school want to walk the walk. Having a sustainable energy source for the farmstead is walking the walk. And it helps them to locate themselves in the universe in terms of the big picture.
I'm going to grow up and I'm going to inherit this world, and my kids after me are going to inherit this world, and I want it to be a good world for them.
When I'm an adult and people come to this school and they go to the land school, they also can learn the stuff that I've learned.
I've had such an amazing experience here ever since I was in E1 in first grade when I had my first visits. And for other people not to get to do that, that would just be really sad because it's such an amazing experience.